Guangzhou-LUPU Travel Product Company Limited is in the line of manufacturing and designing military and tactical equipment for more than 10 years. Our products including tactical vests, camouflage backpacks, belts, uniforms, gloves, masks, caps, helmets, protective clothing, etc. The registered capital more than 5 million of RMB. We are the senior member and strength merchant in Alibaba.cn. Factory located in the capital of leather goods, Shilin, Guangzhou. We are nearby Beijing International Airport, which takes 20 minutes by taxi. Floor space for 5,000 square meters, own 5 of production lines with 150 of skilled workers. Also have the most advanced mechanical equipment to guarantee the best technological level in the same industry. Factory sets up sampling design workshop, cutting, sewing, accessories, pattern sewing and packing workshop, etc. We apply ourselves to research and development of items, producing and sales to the integrity of management model. Have strong and creative capacity on research and development, perfect quality management system for quality control. Our professional design team and sales team service to our clients, and we decorate a showroom for customers' reference when they visit us. Most of our camouflage backpacks and tactical vests have huge QTY in stock. Welcome to choose what you are looking for. We support OEM, ODM, and customized. Our products mainly sell to below countries: America, Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, etc. all over the world. Business concept: the quality survival, reputation and development. We get quite keen on establishing long and mutual beneficial business relationship with you. Welcome your emails and visiting us to communicate custom, purchasing and production, etc. Let's create brilliance hand in hand. LUPU owns several sales platforms and more than 10 years of operation experience in Alibaba. We reply customers' inquiries within 12 hours, provide a full-scale service to our customers. Meanwhile, we are the senior VIP member and strength merchant representative in Alibaba.cn. We have professional technical developers able to custom for customers' designs. A customer-oriented overall solution is introduced. Provide the most suitable products to customers so that customers' products and management ideas can be combined perfectly. And finally, improve the value of the products transmit of our craft work timely. Develop the more suitable products as customers requested to win the market. Provide information and technical support. Establish in customers' demand. Adhering to sustainable development. Pursuit of excellence in quality. Pursue high-quality production lines. Construct clean and tidy space for production to be the industry model. Why choose us? 1. Rich and professional experience in military tactical equipment. 2. ODM OEM is available. 3. Professional development and design team. 4. High quantity in stock. Lots of styles and full kinds of products. 5. Professional sales team. 6. High quality of production lines. Order process: 1. To review and know our products via website. 2. Sending inquiries to our sales representative for more details, styles, quality and price. 3. Choose what you are looking for. Then, we send you samples or send us your designs. We develop the samples for confirmations on styles, materials, prices, packing and shipping, etc. 4. After confirmation, place orders directly through Alibaba for payment. Then, proceed on production once money arrived. 5. If unsatisfied on the samples, we will improve and change until you approve.